Hey, join us this morning, as I'm late actually, to the CBS sale this morning here at Yamaguchi Nursery in Sawtelle. This is what happens when you wake up an hour later than you want to get out of the house. And make it by 10 minutes short here. But usually I like shopping. Good morning. Usually like shopping the last minute. It's heavy crowds already, and check it out. Not much infighting this morning. See all the people. 10 minutes. There's a California.
I haven't done live auctions. I've done the silent auctions before. Oh, okay.
Fun stuff. There's herb. Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Some cork oaks. Some pines. Check those out. Some really big pots there. Some pines here. $500, not bad actually. Let's see what that black pine sign is kind of cool.
It says huge pot.
There's a cork. That's really kind. That's really nice. Little grape here. Akadama's not a bad deal.
I'm gonna go see him today. You should call him. How much is that? 29.
Some quinces. Check those out.
Are they all gone? But for you guys?
Oops, excuse me. Some silverberries are not bad from the ground. I have no idea what that is, but that's kind of cool. $25 Akadama, not bad. Some pumice, if you're looking for particular. Really old black pine here. Good morning, sir. Here's another cork pine. That's an oldie. Some pots here. Oh, that pot looks interesting. Good morning, Mike.
Morning, Tom.
High quality Korean. It's an old pot. Here's a Blvd for $10. That's not bad. It's Mr. Chase elms over here. Sorry about that. Chase elms, kind of cool. So we get a little closer. No. For a Mr. Shade tree, that's not bad. These trees are same quality. Same quality as the one at the Huntington. Same maker. It's not bad. That's really nice. Old Chinese elm. It's kind of cool. I think the coolest one up today is this guy. Check this guy out. It's cork. It's from seed. Really, look how old that barkage is. That's really cool. And the other one's part of this DBI. It's like a Mitch tree. Alright, that's it. Little stumpies are kind of fun too. If you're looking for fun stumps like that. That's a little much on that one. That's it. The Bunjin black pine there. That's kind of cool. Nice. So I get Bob. That's it. Go shopping for a bit. There's an old pot. Good morning, Mitch. That's a Cafe Balmy pot.
Change the shape of the trunk.
It's a cool ficus. I'll take a film a little later and see how everybody feels like. See what people bought.
Hey, welcome to our California Bonsai Society annual members club sale. Sorry, I'm a little bit dazed. It's been a madhouse here since 7 o'clock this morning. We opened the gate at 9 and there was a mad rush. And it's become an institution. We had this morning, there were people lined up. I don't know if maybe Tom will walk down the street and show you how far this line was. But around the corner, like they were lining up for a Motley Crue concert or something.
Nice.
We still have some nice trees left for sale, so come on down. We're here until noon. We're at Yamaguchi Bonsai Nursery on Sawtelle Avenue in West LA. The sale supports our members and the club. The members are selling trees that they no longer want or can take care of, and the club gets 20% of their sale. So it's a big fundraiser for us, and it's a big fundraiser for our members. And it's an opportunity to get some trees that have a lot of character to them. In a lot of cases, 40, 50, 60 years in a pot. So you just can't get trees like that. So come on down, support the club, have fun.
Thanks, Bob. Well, there it is. Last bit of sales here. Hope you guys enjoy the Mad Dash. There's still one tree left, and that's probably one of the nicest black pines, pork pines I've seen in a long time. Not a bad price still. Wife will kill me if I bought that one. So if you guys liked the video, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.